What's up, my crypto lovers? Wow, it's really been a while. It's been a while, guys, since I've basically made a video. But I'm back today just to give you guys a little short update on some of the market and some technical analysis as to what I see happening in the market. I told you guys that basically Bitcoin is looking bearish. It is in a strong downtrend. So I'm just going to show you guys what I mean by that. Basically, I told you guys that these were all distribution zones, distribution zone over there, and this zone over here is basically either accumulation or it's just a continuation of a distribution, and it's going to break down. And it does seem like it basically also forms some form of flag, which is a bearish pattern. And look at this. I had this green box over here. I'm talking about for weeks, guys. Since the pattern broke down over here, the green box was already there. This is the major accumulation zone. This is where all the big investors are going to start accumulating. So basically, we're looking forward to the price coming down between the 20K levels and the 26K levels. That's basically the best accumulation zones to scoop up Bitcoin, altcoins, whatever it is that you want to buy. That is the best levels, right? And that doesn't mean that it's going to immediately just have a bounce here. No, accumulation means it's going to come down. It's basically going to accumulate, and that could be for a couple of months, right? Until a new phase starts, basically, right? But this is basically the major zone. You guys can literally check my older videos. I've been telling you guys about this massive downtrend. I've been talking about this accumulation zone down here, and I've had this on my chart forever. Please give me a like, give me a subscribe. It would really help the algorithm, guys, as I am trying to grow my channel to the first 1,000 subscribers, and I do appreciate that, guys. I keep on dropping gems. It's been a while, but I'll try to be more consistent, guys. So let me just go into what I see happening in the charts right now. So basically, I had this drawn up for you guys, right? I told you guys this is a channel, and Bitcoin is basically only trading within this channel. It hasn't broken out. Once it breaks out, that's going to confirm the direction of where the price will go. And also, if it breaks out, it needs to retest. So clearly, it was basically in this channel. You could long the bottom of these channels, and you can short the top of this channel. And that's, I always tell you guys that. Like I said, you can check my previous videos, have a look at it, right? So what we see here is we had the rejection, and Bitcoin is basically just falling down, crashing down, right? This is a crucial zone though, because what needs to happen is either Bitcoin's going to come retest this as a rejection zone, so you can enter a short over here basically, and then the price will basically continue in this manner over here. Could be doing this, but it's basically downward, right? We need to get the rejection. So that's the next short entry that you're looking for over there, right over there, that rejection zone. I'm just going to draw another line. Just see how this one also plays out for you guys. It's showing that this is also strong resistance that the price keeps on getting rejected by. So we're looking for a rejection zone somewhere around here, guys, right? And like I do say, like I do see is that I do see the price going down lower, because this is a clear sign of weakness and getting the rejection and then basically coming down lower. If we break back into this channel, that is actually extremely bullish, because that would mean that this was a fake out, right? And basically the price will retest it again and confirm that it's able to hold to go higher. But we'll see if that happens. I doubt it, because like I said, I still believe we're in a strong downtrend. It is a bear market. Bitcoin is following the exact steps of the 2013 bear market, the exact steps of the 2017 bear market, right? The process hasn't changed. And I think a lot of the influencers are basically just lying to you guys, giving you guys false hope, right? It's clearly in a downtrend. You need to be looking for shorts. There are definitely long opportunities, but the best opportunities would be to short, right? Because the price would pummel down. So basically, if you catch a short, if you enter short, the price falls down quicker, right? And that's on the daily time frame, guys. So that's Bitcoin. Also, I mentioned to you guys, right? If Bitcoin doesn't break out of this channel to the upside, this is basically invalidated, right? So we're going to remove that, and we still have our little green arrow, question mark, when is the price coming down to this level? Is the price coming down to this level? I do believe so. The previous high was at $20,000. As you guys can see, this is the next major support zone right around there. This is basically the key zone for Bitcoin, right? So the price coming down to this zone, maybe have a nice little wick, but this is the accumulation zone, this green box over here. I'll even extend it because we don't know how long it's going to take to accumulate, and I think it's going to be a long while because of how the Fed is basically raising the rates right now. So yeah, and also removing liquidity out of the markets. So it's quite bearish, guys, and we just gotta literally open our eyes and see that this is a bearish move, and this is not a short-term thing, right? If we look over at the stock market basically explains it all for us, right? Let's go over to the NAS 100. If we look at the weekly chart, look at this. We have been on a massive bull run ever since the COVID dump, a massive bull run. Price came down, got rejected, basically finding a lower high. Here's the first rejection point. Let me zoom in for you guys. Make that on the daily. Right? So this was clearly a bull market since 2020, March 2020, up until January, right? 2022. So that was a long bull market, and we are starting a bear market right now. Reason being, we formed a high and a lower high. We formed a low and a lower low. That is a bearish sign. It's basically step ladders going down like that, and that's basically a bearish sign. And basically this was an insane trade. I actually missed out on this trade, but as you guys can check my previous videos, I told you guys about this zone over here, the CC zone that I have on the chart. This is the perfect short entry if you are trading Forex, and not Forex, sorry, if you're trading the NAS 100 and the stock market as well, the S&P 500. This is the crucial zone that if the price is not able to break above this, this is where you put in a short. And look at this, the price just perfectly came down, found resistance, came down, found resistance. This was another short entry over here because it's basically trading within this channel, guys. Put this in the 4 hour. Pretty simple. Just bouncing between this channel over here, right? So also I mentioned to you guys that the price will be falling down to this green zone, which is basically the dead cat bounce, making it have a lower low. So basically here's the first low, it bounces, gets a lower high, comes down, forms a lower low. So this is the green zone, and I do think that the price is going to be coming down all the way down. It's got the daily chart rather to this level over here. You guys can see this over here, the $10,000 range, right? This is it over here, guys. This is the zone we are coming down to. So that's the NASDAQ 100. This is on the daily time frame and on the 4 hour time frame, which shows a lot better, basically showing the channel that we're forming. We are trading within this channel quite perfectly. So this is not a place to trade. You either just trade the top of the channel, a breakout of the channel, or the support of the channel, right? Same with the S&P 500. The CC zone got rejected, and we are falling down to this green zone that I told you guys. And here's our final zone down here, where I think we are going to be coming down to, right? And that's basically it, guys. We are in a bear market. Do not let influencers fool you, because it's clear that we are in a downtrend, right? The Federal Reserve is removing so much liquidity from the markets, and there's no incentive to be in the market at the moment. So we are waiting for actual capitulation to happen, and that's on Bitcoin as well, stock market and Bitcoin. So the price is just gonna have to see a massive red zone and scare everybody out, and then start consolidating, and that's when you start dollar cost averaging into the market. Because the long-term holders in the crypto market and also in the stock market are the ones that get rewarded. So that's what we're looking for. We're looking for the final capitulation. That's when you start dollar cost averaging for the future, guys. And also there will also be spikes. So if you do dollar cost average at the low levels, there'll be probably like another spike. If you do it in altcoins, you'll get 100% gains, 2x's, 3x's during this whole bear market season. And also there'll be a lot of trades in between. But that's what we're looking at. That's what we're looking at for Bitcoin. I do see lower prices coming. I mentioned to you guys that we are perfectly in a channel. You can short the top of the channel and you can long the bottom of the channel. This was the breakout. And now we're looking for the rejection zone right over there to catch a short. And that's basically the next trade I'm looking at, guys. Thank you guys so much for staying with me. Please like the channel, guys. We are trying to surpass 1,000 subscribers. Let's get there. Thank you guys so much and have a good day. Also, guys, like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it as we are trying to grow to our first 1,000 subscribers. Let's go. This is not financial advice. It's only my opinion and it's for educational purposes only.